Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Baraya and today in Odoo Hackathon, I will try to explain our project TransitOps, a smart transport operation platform. In this project, I have tried to create a scalable backend with the help of Node.js and Express.js. First of all, I create PostgreSQL database with this documentation, and I create this type of backend. Mainly, this is backend for a role-based management system. We use separate roles: admin, fleet manager, driver, safety officer, finance. First of all, I design for authentication, login, register, logout, forget password, reset password. And for forget password, we use node mailer and try to send a forget password link in the mail. Here you can see that for reset password, we send the link on the user's mail. Then after, for user management, vehicle directory, driver management, trips workflow, maintenance logs, full logs expenses, like for all, I create one by one API. Then after, for another purpose, when driver have license will expire, then our software will notify the driver by sending the mail. It can immediate the update the her expired date license. Then for upcoming purpose, over to you, my another teammate Mayank.
Safety officer, safety officer management driving license management driving license is validity checking and send mail. The safety officer is driving score and financially and financial management of fuel and operating provide provide respe- report and between fueling and district fuel. Oh,
Hi, myself Taurasi, and next I'm gonna explain. Myself Saurabh Singh, and I gonna explain three of the things. First one is about the fleet management. Second one is about the driver, and first one is about the fleet management. Second one is about the driver, and third one is about the admin and the whole section. First one is our about the fleet. We know that what he will do. He will do first with analysis that what driver has done and the what it's like also he will calculate the some financials, like if the finance has been generated, like the amount of time, amount of the amount taken to complete the whole operations, or the amount which taken by the drivers. All of these things will be generated by the finance. And the finance manager also can add the expenses, like here we can say he can add the vehicle, fuel amount, and date and time and description, all he can add. So, and again he can add the fuel log. This is about the finance. Here is the finance report. Here we can see the graph. Here we can see the one of the something like a pictograph. We are trying to explain the availability as well as the maintenance on trip and all the stuff. These all are the graph which will make the admin as well as the manager to understand the all the stuff, like what is the efficiency, what is the maintenance cost, what will be the revenue, and what will be the return after all that. This all will be generated by the our finance manager. Here we can export the CSV, and here we can upload, and here we can export it as a PDF. Now the second one is the driver. We have added three functionalities for the driver. First one is for the registry. If driver come to us and want to register, then he will meet to the admin, and admin can register. And here driver can check how many vehicles are there, which vehicles he has to just drive, and how many vehicles are available. That's all. He also can see the drivers, like who are their colleagues who are driving. So like if we see here we can see all the stuff, like which vehicle Arjun Patel is driving, safety code, license number, all about the vehicles. Here we can also edit about the driver, and yeah, close option is there. And the most important thing for any driver is like source to destination. From here he will start his tour, and where he will end. So the trip is about all about the from where he will start and where he will end. So here he can say where to dispatch, where to complete, all the stuff are there. Reason is also there, week, like how much time, how much month, or for if he's a truck driver, we know he will go for a long distance. So yeah, this is all about the drivers. Here we can see all the message of the for the draft. If after some day he will able to dispatch that, then admin or he by himself can also just change the progress to a dispatched, and then change to the in progress, then to the complete. This is all about the driver. And our last stop is the admin, and we know that admin is the like a backbone. He need to manage all the stuff about the driver, as well as the fleet manager, as well as the finance, all about. So here is the admin dashboard, and admin dashboard indulges with all of the stuff, like about the vehicles, how many vehicles he has, where he is going, where is the driver, which one is in progress, which one about to complete. He can also see the all about the drivers, like available, on trip, off duty, or he has got suspender for some irregular activities. All the stuffs are there. Like one of my friend has shown the licensee expire. So here is all about like if admin want or a fleet manager want, he can show like 30 days remain. After that day your license will be expired. So as my senior as has been explained that like after certain day, if the license will be expired, you have to renew. So this is all about the driver. This is the trip. If admin want to change the trip from source to destination, if I'm going from the like I'm going from the Gujarat to Bihar, but admin want to know, just due to some issue, if he has to reach only till Delhi, then he can change the trip distance where he has to go and all the stuff. Then maintenance is mainly maintained by the safety officer, and here we are having the all the things, like vehicles, all things are working or not, what like at the last time what we have maintained, its brake or a tire, what we have maintained the last time. Technicians, all about the which one was the technician, date, time, and all the stuff is there. Next one is the fuel log. It's there are a lot of chance that there can be the stories or concern for the theft of the fuels. And we know in real life, most of the driver do not the most, but some of the drivers do. To control it, we have also fuel logs, which will explain the all stuff about the fuels. So I have already explained you in a fleet manager, and this is the report, where we can see the from efficiency to the operation to the like total distance, all about in a report. And where here we can download the report, and we can, if you the number of report we can generate as we want. So this is all about our project, transit ops. And hoping it will be helpful in a real life for some people. And hoping it will be also impressive for the reviewer. And thank you, your appreciation will is I see me as a greeting. Thank you very much.